guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube channel. So let's get started straightforward. Just go to youtube.com and then click on sign in. Now go here, create account. Here you can have two options. If it's for yourself, for if you're working somewhere and you want to do something, go for myself. If it's for YouTube, if you're creating a YouTube channel, go to this, manage my business. If it's for YouTube, your account, this is for YouTube, so I choose that one. Now click on this, create a Gmail account instead. Okay, now select your first name and your last name. If you want, I will put my channel name. So now you see automatically it generates the Gmail, you see, but it's not available, so you have to click one of those here. Okay, let's choose this one. Here's the password. Okay, yeah, that looks good. On pcvalley.com, this will be your email address. Click on next. Here you have to type in your phone number, recovery mail, and your date birth and everything. You know this how it goes. So I just choose your birth. Okay, and here's your phone number and everything. And we will get back when we fulfill this. After you fulfilled the phone number, you just click yes, I'm in. Then go back here, click here, and I agree. Now after that your YouTube channel has been created. Go here and YouTube Studio Beta. Click on that. And now here don't click create channel. Don't click this. Go use a business or other name. Click on that. And here you will be putting your channel name. So I'll put my, I don't know, some name, and click on create. And now there we go, you have a YouTube channel right now. So that's basically how you create a YouTube channel. If you want to upload, to change the photo, just click here, edit, and then choose a upload photo and choose a file what you want to use, which photo you want to put in. Go to customize channel, add a channel art, select a photo from your PC, and here you can select a photo from your PC and you will have a channel art here. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed, like, share, comment, and yeah, thank you. Bye. Have a great day.